feather learners. So let me just tell you today the usage of for and since. We are so confused. Where to use for, where to use since, and on top of that, where to use from. So whenever we are talking about a time duration which is vague, which is not specific, we used for. I have been doing this for 2 months now. Again, vague. We are not specific about which 2 months are being talked about. I've been working on this project for many years. For 2 hours, I've been reading book. These all are vague time periods. They are not precise. They are not specific. But whenever I'm being very precise, very specific about the time duration, then I will use since, right? So, like for example, I have been working here since morning. I have been working for this company since 1972. Since January, she has been telling me not to work on this project. So this is how we use since and for. For some vague time period, and since for something very, very specific. Stay tuned.